Hello everyone, this is the second part of the SEED 2021 solutions. So we are directly moving towards the next question. Yes, so question number 5 is the figure shows an urban road map of a city. The boundary of the city is a perfect rectangle as indicated by the black dotted line. The grey lines indicate the major roads that run parallel to the edges of the city. The red line shows the route taken by a bus from point P to point Q. If the perimeter of the boundary is 68 centimeter, what is the distance traveled by the bus in kilometers? So sometimes the SEED questions are too lengthy and you will feel that it is too tough to solve, but this is not actually, right? So these type of questions are actually they are very easy. So if we see the question, they have given the perimeter of this map, right? So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 68 kilometers, right? If we see the path of the bus, so the exact pattern is there. So if we calculate the horizontal ones along and then if we calculate the verticals along, right? So we can find out the value, because we have to find out the distance traveled by the bus in kilometers. So if we take perimeter, what is the value of the perimeter? It is type of a rectangle. So 2L plus B is the perimeter of a rectangle and this is given, right? If we take this value as L1, L2, L3, this can be taken as L4, L5, L6, L7, L8, L9, L10 and L11, right? So if we look by adding these L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, this will be giving total length of the rectangle. This is actually the length of the rectangle. In the same way, if we calculate the vertical length, it means that B1 plus B2 plus B3 till B10, it will be giving the vertical value. वो आपको क्या देगी? vertical value देगी, ठीक है? So आपको क्या करना है? L को एक साथ काउंट करना है और D को एक साथ काउंट करना है, because you have to find out finally this one, this additions and this addition. So L plus B, right? And this is the value of 34. So 34 kilometers is the answer. This is the distance traveled by the bus in kilometers. So the next question is find the digit that is not written in the same font as others. So typography questions comes in your SEED exam, right? So in this type of questions, especially related to font or the typography, you have to find out the difference firstly at the ends, or you can see the distance, or you can see the thickness of the typographies, right, fonts which are given. So in this image, if we find out, so I can see the ending of the 5 is quite different from the others. The ending of the 5 is quite different from the others. So the answer is 5 only. Right? So this was very easy question. Okay, so the next one is 6 circular biscuits of diameter 10 centimeter are arranged on a circular plate as shown below. What is the circumference of a plate in centimeters? Okay, so this is the question which is based on the topic, that is mensuration, or you can say the geometry. So say 6 biscuits are given. What is the circumference of the plate? So you have to find out the circumference of the bigger plate or the outer circle, right? So if we take the center at this point, what I can see a hexagon pattern. If I join the centers of all the biscuits, I can see the hexagon pattern. So this is the hexagon pattern, and if we see, this is R, this is R and this is R, and we know that This is the equilateral triangle, right? Because 2r is the distance, this is r, and this is 60 degree. So this is the equilateral triangle. If this is the equilateral triangle, it means that this distance is also equals to r. Hence we can make a circle at this way, right? So this is r, and this is again r. Okay, so capital R, which is equals to 3r. So r is equals to 3 into 5, which is 15 centimeter. So you have to find out the circumference. So what is the value of circumference? 2 pi r. So we will be putting the value of pi. You can either put the 22/7 or you can put the 3.14, and the r is 15. Find out the value. Yes, so 94.2 is the answer, right? Okay, so question number 8 is about the gears and pulleys, right? So gear Q is fixed on the pulley. So this gear Q is fixed on the pulley, right? Pulley R. If the pulley P undergoes the 4.5 full rotations, P is going through 4.5 full rotations, how many rotations will gear S go? So they are asking the rotation of S. So यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि एक पुली यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, then the second one, third one, fourth one, and this S is attached with the gear Q. ठीक है, अगर इसकी बात करेंगे, so this is having the radius of 20 और you can say diameter is equals to 40 और इसका जो आपका diameter है that is 20, right? So it means that if it is rotating 4.5 rotations, so it will be having double rotation. Why? Because the diameter is half, right? Radius is half, hence the rotation will be doubled, right? So 4.5 rotations, so it will be having 9 rotations. Again, it is having diameter 20 and it is having the diameter exactly half, that is 10 centimeter. So it will be having the double rotations, so 18 rotations. Now again if we see, this is 10, diameter is 10, and again if you see for the pulley R, again diameter changes to 40 centimeter, right? So your rotation will become 1/4, right? It means it is having the rotation of 4.5. Again, if you want to ignore these two pulleys, you can ignore that. Why? Because you can directly connect with P to the R. ठीक है, ये सिर्फ आपको टाइम किल करने के लिए दिया हुआ है. No need to calculate the rotations of these pulleys, right? You can directly go from the pulley P to pulley R, right? It means that diameter is given 40, 4.5 rotations, and then it is connected with the another pulley, that is pulley R, which is having the diameter 40 centimeter. It means it will be again having the same rotation, that is 4.5 rotation. So gear Q is directly attached with the pulley R. So जितना R घूमेगा उतना ही Q घूमेगा. हम यहाँ पे इसके diameter से compare नहीं करें. We'll not going to compare the diameter of Q, क्योंकि वो छोटा है और बाहर वाला बड़ा है, so उसमें हम नहीं compare करेंगे. Because this is attached with this pulley, so same rotation होगा, right? Again, so Q will be having 4.5 rotations, right? Q is attached, not attached, but connected with S, right? Q is connected with S and it is having the diameter 40, है ना? Diameter आपका 40 हुआ है. So radius आपका क्या हो रहा है? Double हो रहा है ना? Diameter आपका double हो रहा है, radius आपका double हो रहा है. So rotation क्या हो जाएगा? Just half हो जाएगा. है ना, रोटेशन आपका हाफ हो जाएगा। इट मीन्स व्हाट कि आपका यहाँ पे s के लिए जो रोटेशन होगा वो 4.5/2 2.25 रोटेशंस होंगे, किसके, s के होंगे। ठीक है, अगर डायमीटर नहीं दिया होता, इन दोनों के कंपैरिजन डायमीटर नहीं दिया होता, तो आप क्या करते, आप नंबर ऑफ टीथ्स काउंट करते, q में और s में नंबर ऑफ टीथ्स काउंट करते, देखते कि कितना ज़्यादा टीथ्स है, कितने टाइम्स टीथ है, उतना ही आप हाफ कर देते। या तो अगर 3 टाइम्स टीथ होते तो आप 1/3 करते, 2 टाइम्स टीथ होंगे तो आप 1/2 करोगे, राइट। Okay, so these are the 4 questions we discussed in this video. So next we will be discussing in the next questions we will be discussing in the next video.